So it is a little before 7:30 and I'm with Crinkles. We're setting out for our biggest day yet. It's gonna be 15 miles. Hopefully straight downhill after the first like little mountain, which is what we've heard about. So yeah, hopefully everything will be fine. It's kind of a nasty day. It's raining and freezing. But we both feel really good about it. I think we're gonna rock this hike and I'm gonna get to the next shelter and get warm. This stretch of trail takes us from Tri-Corner Knob to Standing Bear Farm Hostel, which is a stretch of about 18 miles and my biggest day yet.
Holy cow! Oh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
See that hiker up there, shrouded in fog, getting pummeled by wind and hail? This is the hiker formerly known as Crinkles, who would soon become Crunchy, the bad mama jamma, fire-making mountain woman, my ride or die, my numero uno, bear bag throwing, night bear scaring, bad to the bone hike woman. This is the day that cemented our friendship. And this day, this crazy hiking 18 miles in the hail day, it was us against the world.
Well, we're doing it. 15 miles in this. It's hailing out here. Oh my gosh. Singing's the only thing that's gonna get us through. We've been singing Smoky Rain. Smoky Rain. Okay, I gotta turn it off and get hit in the face. This is what's coming from the sky. Little pieces of hail. Whew. All right, gonna make it. All right, we have made it to COSBY Knob Shelter halfway through the day. And the shelter's closed due to bear activity, which is why we're doing 15 miles today. There's like steam coming off of me. Oh my gosh.
Look how miserable we all looked. As Mittens put it, we were cold and sad. I wish I had footage of what happened in the shelter, but it's probably a good thing I don't. A hiker next to me lit his stove, and I don't know how to describe it, but it kind of exploded, sending a fireball right into the middle of the shelter. Someone finally screamed, "Throw it!" And when he did, it luckily went out. All right, so we made it to COSBY Knob Shelter, which we can't sleep in because there was an aggressive bear incident, but we have hiked like 8 miles before noon, which is a new record, but we still have either 6 or 7 or 10 to go, depending on if we want to get to the hostel or not, but yeah, we're freezing. We've walked through the mud, the rain, the hail, the sleet, the walk through big puddles, and there was even ice on the trail today, but we're gonna make it. If we did that, we'd begin off the AT. Or we could go the distance and keep on going this way for about 10 miles. I think we're gonna choose the road less traveled. What we have here is a hiker in the wild making lunch. Looks like it's gonna be tasty for the bears. What you putting on top? That looks good, Cranks. Yum. Wrap that up, wrap that up. There you go. So Gusher's got this for me in Gatlinburg. I haven't tried them yet,
but today is the day. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had energy chews and if they helped. And if not, what did you have to get you through long days of hiking or running or just endurance activities? Because I need some help. Your girl needs help. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. Oh my gosh, the sun just came out. Oh, it feels so good. We were so cold. We were hiking through craziness. There's literally ice on the ground where I'm walking right now, but the sun is coming out. Heck yeah. So there's a sign for Mount Camner and it's 0.6. So today it's all about the miles, not the smiles. We gotta skip it because we're trying to get 15 miles in today. We'll see what happens. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So interesting. We came to this rock and we got sun right there. And then I don't know what this dark stormy cloud, but hopefully this clears up and we have a great rest of our day.
I hike tomorrow too, so there's no reason to like hurt ourselves.
Yeah.
In order to get 18 miles, I feel like.
2.9 to the road. I think it's like 2 to the shelter maybe, and then I don't know how much farther to the hostel, but we may be going all the way.
1.9.
Heck yeah. Great. Oh my gosh, we are 1.9 from the road, and we've been listening to Andy Mineo to get us going. He's like, that's all you got? Come on with it. You can't stop me. So we're like, 15 miles is all you got? AT, come on with it. Come on with the jokes. Oh my gosh, it just got like lime green. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, we made it to the shelter and 15 miles, yeah. So we're actually not at the shelter because it's a little bit far down of a hike and we're thinking about doing something crazy. So we're sitting here, I'm propping my feet up to get the blood out of it and they're super waterlogged. We're eating. We're thinking about hiking 3.5 more miles to get to the hostel, which would be an 18-mile day. Oh my gosh. But could you imagine like how crazy the Smokies has been for me? And I've cried every single day, except for today. And can you imagine that we might be doing an 18-mile day? Like me, the weakest hiker out here. So I'm really excited. I hope that we can do it. We have made it out of the Smokies. No more crying every day. No more scary weather where you go through 4 seasons in one day. We made it out of here, man. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you. Oh my gosh. We did the Smokies. Like, we literally did the Smokies. What? All right, I can't give up now. Oh yeah, baby. See you later.
If I forgot, but I'll never forget it.
We got done to the road. We're actually getting our first hitch. I don't know if you have, but I've never had one. So exciting. We got a ride from these very kind people. Thank you so much. The last 0.5, you guys are amazing. Just got to the hostel and got a pork chop sitting around the fire. Sitting with Lucky. It's a great day.
To raise up your glass, here's to brand new beginnings, and leave in the past all the things that are ending, 'cause tomorrow will bring us a new morning sun. My friends, I believe that the best is yet to come.
Coming up, out of the Smokies and onto an iconic hostel. Plus, the whole crew's together again. Then, onto one of the most beautiful places on trail. It's all coming up in the next video.
My friends, I believe that the best is yet to come.